Hello, my name is Alexis Chada. Thank you for watching my presentation. I'm going to be presenting on the dabbling behavior in the mallard duck and the 4 Tinbergen levels of analysis. My focal behavior is dabbling. This is a short video that I took of them doing that in the wild, so you get an example. It was taken at Crown Hill Park and Wildlife Reserve in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. Okay, my first hypothesis is going to be my causation and level hypothesis. Mallards initiate dabbling when visual cues and receptors in the bill detect potential food items, which causes neural pathways associated with feeding behavior to activate. I base this off an article by Gilliman, Martin, and Fritz in 2002. They found that mallard bills contain numerous mechanoreceptors that allow them to detect food in murky water where vision may be limited. When these receptors are stimulated, sensory information is transmitted to the brain, triggering feeding movements. They found that this feeding behavior changes in response to environmental and sensory cues. My next hypothesis level is going to be development. Juvenile mallards improve dabbling efficiency through experience and repeated exposure to shallow water foraging habitats, resulting in more effective food capture as they mature. This was an article based off Reineck, and they studied the feeding of ecology in juvenile American black ducks, a species closely related to mallards. They found that diet and feeding patterns changed throughout development as young ducks grew and gained foraging experience, which suggests that feeding behaviors are refined over time through both physical growth and learning. My next hypothesis level will be evolution. Dabbling behavior in mallards evolved from ancestral waterfowl feeding strategies and was maintained through natural selection because it allowed individuals to efficiently exploit shallow water food resources. I base this off an article by Zeurers and Vandenberg in 1996. They found that dabbling is shared by many related duck species, suggesting that it evolves from a common ancestor. The waterfowl feeding system evolved to specialized traits and niche behaviors for aquatic foraging. My last hypothesis level will be functioning. Dabbling behavior increases fitness by allowing mallards to obtain high energy food resources while minimizing the energetic costs associated with diving. This is based off an article by Azriel and Elmberg in 2004. They found that dabbling gives mallards access to seeds, plants, and vertebrates in shallow water without the higher energy costs of diving. They found that these ducks select habitats that maximize feeding opportunities and energy gain. Let me move my face here. These are all my resources listed above. And thank you for watching my presentation.